This 100% free tool has a few buttons that need to be clicked. To earn between $40 and $60, you must first click the play button, wait a little period of time, and then hit the download button. This is brand new, never before publicized research. Additionally, I have a unique surprise that will allow you to make an extra $400. This tactic is available to all nations in the world. You only need a computer, laptop, or smartphone for this. You only need to spend a few minutes clicking a few buttons to complete it. So make sure to keep watching to get the $400 bonus tip and secret. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Now let's watch the video. This is the first program I'll show you that is completely free and that enables you to easily make money online by pressing a few buttons. Make sure to watch it through to the finish because I'll show you another additional tool then. Take advantage of that second tool potential to raise your internet income. I want you to look at this. People are still buying audiobooks every day on Amazon.com, despite its plenty of them. People can easily get whatever audiobooks they want by visiting Amazon and shopping around. Selling all of these audiobooks online can bring in several hundreds or even several $1,000s. You don't have to write any ebooks, perform any graphic design work, or publish any books in order to do this. I'll present a rather simple strategy that no one else has mentioned. Using the first and second free tools, you may easily earn an extra $400. Permit me to now offer a fascinating new development with the Amazon business on acx.com. They help you convert your book into an audiobook on this website, and then it is made available on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes, among other places. As you can see, thousands of individuals visit this website every day to purchase audiobooks, which will be published on these platforms. In this video, we'll play the storyteller instead of really authoring any ebooks. Let me go into further detail about the procedure. Creating a free profile is the first step. You must sign up for an ACX account, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Once you register for a free account, you can add different samples. Reading books while making money is possible. One of the novels that people urge you to read is this one. When you submit the script to ACX, all you have to do to get paid is read the book from cover to cover. You don't need to exert any effort to read any of the scripts because we're utilizing a very simple tool. After receiving your audio sample, we can choose from a number of payment methods at acx.com. Payment options include bank transfer, PayPal money, and digital currencies like Bitcoin, Pioneer, Paytm, or Skrill. Simply put, there are a ton of available payment options. There are two methods of payment. You can pick between two different payment methods, hourly pay or a split of 50% of the royalties. If you are paid per completed hour, you'll be compensated for each minute the script is read. The second method is that you might start getting 50% of the royalties from each sale when your books are published, say on Amazon. You will receive 50% of the sale price each time someone purchases any of the ebooks you have read, whether that occurs in a week, a month, a year, or 10 years from now. You have two options for how you want to be paid and how you want to take your money out. However, step number 4 is crucial because you must succeed in a very straightforward test called an audition before that. You must pick one of these ebooks in order to send them an audition sample. As soon as they accept you, you can start working and getting paid every day. You won't need to read any scripts or use any pricey tools like microphones or cameras since I'll show you a free tool to do it. To pass the audition, I'll go over in detail how to copy and paste the entire script, use the free tools number 1 and number 2 to have me do all of the reading for you, and submit them a sample script. If you apply this unique method, you can bypass each of these phases. You don't need to undertake any recordings or reading in order to move on to the payment stage. I'll go on to some illustration of the types of audition you could submit. You may notice that there are over 2,000 distinct audition sample ebooks here as an example. You can get paid if you submit any of these samples and they accept you. You'll be given a script of every one of these ebooks to read. This is but one example of an audition script. Most attendees will start reading from the script. They'll need a microphone, and it might take them minutes or even hours to finish. But in this video, I want to show you something genuinely amazing. You should go to the first free resource, TTSReader.com, where you can copy and paste the entire script and choose any voice you like. You can choose between male and female, UK English and US English. For example, let's say you choose to employ this voice. Simply go back to your script, select copy, then go back to this free tool, delete this text, and then paste your script in its place. I only need to tap the play button after that. After pressing the play button, a sample of the audio can be heard. TTS Reader will automatically read the script for you in an extraordinarily natural sounding voice using AI technology and a robot. Once more, you have a choice of any voice, accent, or gender. Everything about this is computerized and powered by technology. When you're happy with the audio, just click the download option to save it to your computer or phone. You can do that and upload the entire audio sample to acx.com to be accepted. Naturalreaders.com is the second free tool I'd like to demonstrate. This results in a voice that is far more convincing and strong. You can paste any text into this box and choose any voice when you get to the website, where there are tons of options. Again, all you have to do to hear a preview is paste the entire script into this box and hit play. Simply click this button after choosing a voice you like to download it as an MP3 file to your computer or phone, where you can then apply for it to be accepted. That encapsulates the entire strategy, which is really simple and very fundamental. But as I promised, I'll show you another special extra trick. By simply visiting the website, entering the keyword voiceover, and pressing the search button, you can find a number of freelancers on Fiverr.com who provides various services to record a voiceover sample. Just let it be known that I selected this merchant. That will take me to this page, where you can see that he hires a professional voiceover artist to record an American man's narration for a fee of $25 per narration. You might now find some other vendors who will bill you $5 or $10, which is far less, because you are not compelled to pay this merchant straight immediately. The magic happens here. You may find the contract option by scrolling down below. I want you to select the Contact Me option so you may send the vendor a note or email asking them to give you a sample demo, along with this audition script. As soon as this merchant gives you the audition sample, you can submit them for free to acx.com. Once they approve you, you can go back to Fiverr to make a payment to this freelancer. You can request a free sample using this approach, then simply come back to this website to submit them without having to risk any of your own money. You can simply locate another merchant and continuing doing this till they accept to make sure you can deal with this freelancer if they don't. They're attempting to sell you something for $5 to $10 when you could easily go back to ACX and make hundreds of dollars. This strategy is speedier and more perceptive. You can choose between employing this free tool strategy and these secret Fiverr suggestions. The earning potential is endless on acx.com. There's a lot of money to be made on this platform, and joining is simple. With just your name, email address, and password, you can open a free global account and start making money. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.